Allow us to introduce you to the world of embroidery, as told through the lens of the renowned TBF Embroidery Machines, a brand that has withstood the test of time. These machines have built a solid reputation, offering superior embroidery solutions that cater to both individuals and corporations, allowing them to create intricate designs with ease. Let's delve into one of the unique aspects of these machines, the support for the TBF embroidery format. You may be asking yourself, what is the TBF format? It stands for TBF Binary Format, an exclusive file format utilized by TBF machines to encapsulate embroidery designs. This format is binary in nature, meaning information within it is stored as a string of ones and zeros, which are decoded by the software within the machine to bring the designs to life. Introduced in the late 1980s, as TBF stepped into the era of computerized embroidery machines, the TBF format revolutionized how embroidery designs were conceived. Previously, creating such designs was a manual or semi-mechanical process, both labor-intensive and less accurate. The advent of computerization signified that designers could now craft their creations digitally and seamlessly convey them to the embroidery machine using this digital file format. Designed specifically with TBF machines in mind, the TBF format is finely tuned to leverage their distinct functionalities and performance characteristics. TBF machines boast high-speed stitching and remarkably precise needle placement. The TBF format is constructed to exploit these strengths fully. Moreover, the format encompasses support for intricate embroidery effects like the inclusion of sequins and cording, which elevate high-end embroidery to stunning artisanal levels. Currently, the TBF format maintains a significant presence within the embroidery world, championed primarily by enterprises that operate TBF machines. Nevertheless, it's not alone in the arena, as other formats such as the DST, denoting TBF format, are also prevalent. While the DST format and TBF share several similarities, DST's broader support across different embroidery machine brands makes it a more adaptable option for companies that run diverse equipment fleets or those who collaborate with external vendors who may possess varying machinery. Nevertheless, the TBF format's enduring popularity can be attributed to businesses having amassed a considerable collection of designs in this format over the years. To change such an extensive catalog into a different format can demand an investment of both time and resources, which is why many choose to remain with what is already tried and true. It's imperative to note a limitation of the TBF format's proprietary nature. It's the intellectual property of TBF and is exclusively compatible with their machines. This restriction could potentially constrain a business's adaptability should they contemplate switching to a different embroidery machine brand down the line. The TBF embroidery format boasts a rich heritage and remains integral to the industry to this very day. While not the sole format on the market, its specialized features and capabilities make it an attractive option for those utilizing TBF embroidery machines. As we continue to witness technological advancements, the TBF format's evolution will undoubtedly adapt to fulfill the aspirations and demands of modern-day embroidery aficionados. If you enjoyed this video, then please give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and consider subscribing to the channel. Embrocraft has an embroidery design store on Etsy. If you need any designs for your next project, you'll find a link to the store in the video description. Thanks for watching.